foodies. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite products that I use in my videos. I get a lot of questions about these, so let's get started. Here's the almond flour that I use. This is my favorite one that I've worked with so far. It's called California Superfine Almond Flour, and it's blanched. I get this at Costco, and it's the brand Kirkland. It comes in pretty big bags, and I usually buy 5 or 6 bags at a time just because I bake a lot. It's really nice quality, it doesn't clump together, and it's really easy to work with. So next, here is the coconut flour that I use. It is by the brand Bob's Red Mill, and it's called Organic Coconut Flour. It is a medium-sized bag and comes with a resealable top, which is pretty cool. This coconut flour is really nice and fine, good quality, easy to work with. And I usually purchase this at my local Safeway, but if your local grocery store doesn't carry it, I know a lot of health food stores like Whole Foods do carry it, so I'd look out for that. It's also available online, a lot of places including Amazon. So this is the flaxseed meal that I use. It's from the brand Bob's Red Mill again, and it's called Whole Ground Flaxseed Meal. It's a medium-sized bag and it comes with a resealable top. Alright, one of the most repeated comments and questions I get is what kind of keto sugar I use and most recommend. And this is the granulated sweetener that I use. It is the brand Lakanto. I am not sure, but it is a monk fruit sweetener and it's the golden granulated kind. I got this from Costco, but I have seen it in small bags as well as individual coffee sugar packets at my local grocery store. I really like this product. The bag is medium sized and is resealable, which is cool. It tastes great in baked goods and tastes just like regular sugar and doesn't get clumpy in the bag. It also measures just like regular sugar, and I overall really love this sweetener. If you are unable to find the monk fruit sweetener, this is another keto sugar that I've tried. It's by the brand Swerve, and it's called the Ultimate Sugar Replacement, the granulated sugar kind. It is a little bit more on the pricey side considering the bag is pretty small compared to the monk fruit sweetener I showed before, but it is still really good quality and tastes great. It gets a little bit clumpy, but it can be easily fixed by just crushing it up. It also measures just like regular sugar, and I usually get this at my local grocery store in the keto section and baking aisle. Here's my favorite powdered sugar replacement. It's by the brand Swerve again, and it's called the Ultimate Sugar Replacement Confectioners. Although the bag is pretty small, it still holds a fair amount of powdered sugar. I use this all the time for frosting, for cake, and it tastes almost exactly like regular powdered sugar, and it doesn't get too clumpy in the bag. It measures a little less than regular sugar, meaning that when you're replacing powdered sugar in a recipe, I find that you actually need less of the Swerve when replacing it because it can get a little bit sweet. So I just recommend that you be careful of how much you add. And I get this from my local grocery store in both the keto section and baking aisle. For brown sugar replacements, I also use the Swerve brand of brown keto sugar. It has an amazing texture that is almost identical to regular brown sugar and tastes basically the same, and I purchased this at my local grocery store in the keto section and baking aisle. For any other things like xanthan gum or hazelnut flour or really any other low-carb flour, I use the brand Bob's Red Mill. The newer products come in resealable bags and they are really good quality, and you are usually able to purchase these at local health food stores and grocery stores. This is the psyllium husk powder that I think I've used a couple times in videos. I am not sure if a lot of grocery stores carry it. My usual grocery store actually did not carry it, but I was able to get it from a smaller grocery store that was a little bit farther away from me. But you can get this at most health food stores as well as on Amazon. Here are the chocolate chips that I use. They are the Lily semi-sweet style baking chips. They're stevia sweetened and come in a 9-ounce pack. I believe there is also a dark chocolate version of this as well. I bought this at my local grocery store in the keto section, but I have seen this at Whole Foods along with a lot of other Lily's chocolate products, such as chocolate bars and peanut butter cups. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope this video was helpful, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!